Westermans here with a 207B which has just arrived, water cooled. Quick turn on, water supply, all appears to be turning as it should do. Screen is functioning. Head connected on this is actually the 96. Just a quick function test. Clockwise and clockwise. Obviously there's the other heads on there. Controls from inside. Manual jog. Again, forwards and backwards. Gas purge. Okay, working. Printer. Art Machines, 207, November the 25th. All appear to be functioning as it should do. Machine sold as seen. Stop. Off. Off. And then obviously we've got all them consumables in here.